I just received my parcel from Amazon. Ooh, wow, phone case as well, tempered glass for my iPad. Ta-da-da! Got cable adapter. Actually I wanted in pink color, but pink color wasn't in sale during this Independence Day. It's so aesthetic. Hello. So finally, after all the settings, my iPad is ready to use, and I also got this tempered glass.